1 stalemate, noun.
تعطل زج هنا بحركة.
A situation in which further action or progress by opposing or competing parties seems impossible. Example, the war had again reached stalemate. Synonyms: deadlock, impasse, standstill, dead end, standoff, draw, tie, dead heat. Antonyms: advance, headway, progress. 2 disillusioned, adjective.
اعتماد ختم होने की वजह से मायूस.
Disappointed in someone or something that one discovers to be less good than one had believed. Example, the minority groups were completely disillusioned with the party. Synonyms: disenchanted, disappointed, let down, cast down, downcast, discouraged, disabused. Antonyms: trusting, enthusiastic. 3 amenable, adjective.
इताअत पजीर, फरमाबरदार, मानने वाला.
Open and responsive to suggestion, easily persuaded or controlled. Example, parents who have amenable children. Synonyms: compliant, acquiescent, biddable, manageable, controllable, governable, persuadable. Antonyms: uncooperative. 4 impatience, noun.
बेताबी, बेसब्री, बेकरारी.
The tendency to be impatient, irritability or restlessness. Example, she crumpled up the pages in a burst of impatience. Synonyms: restlessness, restiveness, frustration, agitation, nervousness, edginess, jitteriness. Antonyms: enjoyment, peace, ease, endurance. 5 palatable, adjective.
लचकदार, तसल्ली बख्श.
Of an action or proposal, acceptable or satisfactory. Example, a device that made increased taxation more palatable. Synonyms: pleasant, acceptable, satisfactory, pleasing, agreeable, easy to take, to one's liking. Antonyms: disagreeable, unpalatable, unpleasant. 6 formidable, adjective.
डराना, खौफनाक, हौलनाक.
Inspiring fear or respect through being impressively large, powerful, intense, or capable. Example, a formidable opponent. Synonyms: intimidating, forbidding, redoubtable, daunting, alarming, frightening, terrifying, petrifying. Antonyms: pleasant-looking, comforting, easy, weak. 7 topple, verb.
गिर जाना, गिर पड़ना, पटना.
Overbalance or cause to overbalance and fall. Example, she toppled over when I touched her. Synonyms: fall, tumble, overturn, overbalance, tip, keel, drop, pitch, plunge, capsize. Antonyms: get up, rise, stand, up, uprise. 8 communal, adjective.
फिरका वाराना, गिरोही, बस्ती का.
Shared by all members of a community, for common use. Example, a communal bathroom and kitchen. Synonyms: shared, joint, common, general, public, collective, cooperative, community, communalist. Antonyms: private, individual. 9 mayhem, noun.
तबाही, बदनज़मी, अमल.
Violent or extreme disorder, chaos. Example, complete mayhem broke out. Synonyms: chaos, disorder, confusion, havoc, bedlam, pandemonium, tumult, uproar, turmoil. Antonyms: calm, calmness, ease, happiness. 10 parochial, adjective.
इलाकाई, मकामी, किसी महदूद हल्के का, मुतासिब.
Relating to a church parish. Example, the parochial church council. Synonyms: narrow-minded, small-minded, provincial, insular, narrow, small town. Antonyms: cosmopolitan, broad-minded, liberal. 11 rapprochement, noun.
मुफाहमत, मुसालहत.
Especially in international affairs, an establishment or resumption of harmonious relations. Example, there were signs of a growing rapprochement between the two countries. Synonyms: reconciliation, increased understanding, détente, restoration of harmony, agreement, cooperation. Antonyms: alienation, disaffection, disgruntlement. 12 calamitous, adjective.
तबाकुन, आफत ज़दा.
Involving calamity, catastrophic or disastrous. Example, such calamitous events as fires, hurricanes, and floods. Synonyms: disastrous, catastrophic, cataclysmic, devastating, dire, tragic, fatal, ruinous, crippling. Antonyms: good, advantageous. 13. Potent, adjective.
जोरदार, कवि, बाइख्तियार.
Having great power, influence, or effect. Example, thrones were potent symbols of authority. Synonyms: powerful, strong, vigorous, mighty, formidable, influential, commanding, dominant. Antonyms: weak, impotent. 14. Sporadic, adjective.
कभी कभार, इक्का दुक्का.
Occurring at irregular intervals or only in a few places, scattered or isolated. Example, sporadic fighting broke out. Synonyms: occasional, infrequent, irregular, periodical, periodic, scattered, patchy, isolated. Antonyms: frequent, regular, steady, continuous. 15. Flare, verb.
चमकना, शूला, भड़क उठना.
Burn or shine with a sudden intensity. Example, the bonfire crackled and flared up. Synonyms: blaze, flash, flare up, flame, burn unsteadily, burn violently, burn up. Antonyms: keep one's temper, remain calm. 16. Temptation, noun.
लालच, झांसा देना, फिसलाना.
The desire to do something, especially something wrong or unwise. Example, he resisted the temptation to call Celia at the office. Synonyms: desire, urge, itch, impulse, inclination, lure, allurement. Antonyms: discouragement, dislike, hate. 17. Desperation, noun.
मायूसी, बेआस.
A state of despair, typically one which results in rash or extreme behavior. Example, she wrote to him in desperation. Synonyms: hopelessness, despair, distress, anguish, pain, agony, torment, torture, misery. Antonyms: cheer, comfort, contentment, delight. 18. Assertion, noun.
हतमी मुवक्कत, इकरार वासिक, दावा.
A confident and forceful statement of fact or belief. Example, his assertion that his father had deserted the family. Synonyms: declaration, contention, statement, claim, submission, postulation, averment, opinion, proclamation. Antonyms: bashfulness, confusion, consternation. 19. Averse, adjective.
मुखालिफ, नारजामंद, कराहत आमेज.
Having a strong dislike of or opposition to something. Example, as a former CIA director, he is not averse to secrecy. Synonyms: opposed to, against, antipathetic to, hostile to, antagonistic to, unfavorably disposed to. Antonyms: keen. 20. Ravage, verb.
बर्बाद करना, उजाड़ना, तबाह करना.
Cause severe and extensive damage to. Example, the hurricane ravaged southern Florida. Synonyms: lay waste, devastate, ruin, leave in ruins, destroy, wreak havoc on, leave desolate. Antonyms: sparing, conserving, preserving. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. Like, subscribe, share and comments.